To perform a test order on Shopify and ensure your online store is functioning correctly, follow these steps. Access your Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Enable test mode. Navigate to settings and then payments. In the payment provider section, find your active payment gateway and enable test mode. Add products. If you don't have real products yet, create some test products in your store. Create a test customer account. Optionally, create a test customer account to simulate the complete order process. Initiate test order. Go to your online store, add products to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Enter test details. During checkout, use test information for shipping and payment details. Complete the order. Finalize the order as you would with a real purchase. Review the order. After completing the test order, check your Shopify admin for the order details. Ensure that the order status is correct. Disable test mode. Once testing is successful, disable test mode in your payment gateway settings to accept real transactions.